In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create AI video ads for Facebook. And this is the result of this tutorial.
This right here is my secret weapon, post-workout every single time.
So first of all, you need to go to NovoAds AI. This is the platform that we're going to use. The link of this site is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here, we're going to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings and we're going to use the model Sedance 2.0. Then the duration for my video, I'm going to use 10 seconds. And now here, I'm going to click here and upload an image of my product that in this case is going to be a protein, but you can use another product if you want. And here I'm going to use a very simple prompt. And you will see that the video will be very good. So the prompt that I'm going to use is this one, where I just say that I want a muscular young man of 28 years old to do an UGC video ad for this protein. Then I add some things like I want that the man speaks and not to do a voiceover. And sometimes these AI models adds text and it doesn't look very good. So I add this at the end of the prompt to be sure that Sedance doesn't add some text. So now we have to click here and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
This right here is my secret weapon, post-workout every single time.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot. This is a video that if you want, you could use as an ad in Facebook. So if you want to do a video like this one, the prompt is going to be in the comment section and you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. With that, you have 10 credits. And for example, this video, as you can see here, if we go to settings, cost 5 credits. So you could do 2 videos like this one for just $1. So I recommend you to try NovoAds, and then if you don't like it, you can just cancel the plan when you want. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.